beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for all things beauty, from the latest products to tried and true staples. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Clinique High Impact Shadow Play Plus Definer in the shade 08 Rosé and Truffles. If you're someone who's been hunting for a crease-proof, water-resistant shadow that's safe for sensitive eyes, keep watching, because I've got some thoughts to share. Now, Clinique isn't exactly new to the beauty scene, especially when it comes to creating products that cater to sensitive skin. This eyeshadow pencil is part of their High Impact collection, which promises long-lasting wear without the irritation, something sensitive skin sufferers will really appreciate. It comes in a sleek pencil form, and this specific shade, Rosé and Truffles, is a stunning balance of soft, rosy tones with a bit of earthy richness, perfect for creating a defined yet wearable look. When we talk about the formulation, the key features stand out: crease-proof, water-resistant, and ophthalmologist tested. This means you can trust it to stay in place, even on those days when life gets a little sweaty. Whether you're in the office, out on a date, or sweating it out at the gym, this pencil promises not to budge. Plus, it's suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers, which is a huge plus in my book. In terms of real-world testing, incorporating this into my routine was actually pretty seamless. The pencil glides on smoothly, delivering rich color without needing to build up layer after layer. I love how it feels, lightweight and comfortable, but what really impressed me was how it lasted. After a full day of wear, there was no creasing or fading, even in the crease of my eyelid, which is typically where my shadows go to die. Of course, I had to test it out during different conditions: morning, evening, and even after a workout. And I'm happy to report that this product held its own, even through some sweat. The satin finish looks soft and natural, not too glossy, but definitely not flat either. It's perfect for both day and night looks, making it versatile for anyone's collection. But no product is without its flaws, right? One thing to note is that the pencil, being a twist-up, can occasionally break off if you apply too much pressure. I found myself being extra cautious with it just to ensure the tip didn't snap, but that's a minor issue. Another potential downside is the price. While Clinique is a respected brand, it can sometimes be a little on the pricier side for certain products, and if you're on a budget, there may be similar options out there. But if you're someone who values skincare-friendly makeup, you may find that the price is justified. For those of you on the lookout for alternatives, there are a few options that deliver similar performance at a more budget-friendly price point. Brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal have eye pencils that offer long-lasting color, though they might not have the same sensitive eye-friendly benefits. If you're specifically after that crease-proof formula, though, it might be worth the extra investment. Overall, I have to say, this Clinique Shadow Play pencil is a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable, long-wearing eyeshadow that's easy to apply and won't irritate your eyes. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for an everyday eye pencil that can take them from day to night without the fear of fading or creasing. If you have sensitive eyes or struggle with eyeshadows that tend to crease, this could be your new go-to. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.